Connecting your server to the federation is simple. First, navigate to the Settings menu. Select Cloud, then click Link to Hanwha Vision Cloud. Now simply enter your cloud administrator credentials. Click Next. If you have multiple organizations assigned to your account, you can select the one you wish to link. Choose the appropriate organization and hit Next. The system will now establish a link to the Cloud Federation. This setup allows you to access your servers and cameras directly from the cloud portal. To log in through Blaze, return to the Home menu. Disconnect from your local server. Then select Login to Hanwha Vision Cloud in the top right corner. Enter the same cloud credentials as before and log in. You will see a list of organizations accessible with this account. Select an organization name to access its servers. The Users and Roles menus under User Management allow you to configure settings for the entire organization. Here you can easily create new users and manage their specific roles and permissions. You can also customize your client settings, such as adjusting the time zone to your specific location. From the Home menu, select View to monitor cameras from multiple sites. Simply choose a site from the drop-down menu. To add a camera to your layout, just double-click it. You can combine cameras from different locations into a single view. Cloud Federation makes complex management simple and efficient.